Before the first European ever saw these lands, an ancient geometry already shaped the heart of Ohio. Miles of interconnected earthworks, built by hand, aligned with the rising and setting of the moon. Each mound a statement of purpose, each line a message to the heavens. The builders understood celestial rhythm, a calendar written not on paper but on the earth itself. When settlers first uncovered them, no one believed such precision could come from an unknown civilization. But the truth endured. These were the astronomers of ancient America. Each night, the moon would trace its path through their sacred geometry, a dance of light and shadow. This was not random art. It was intention, precision, and wonder beyond measure. From the air, the Newark Earthworks reveal a breathtaking symmetry, a design so vast it defies imagination. Archaeologists now know these were no random earth piles. They were built with astronomical precision. Every 18.5 years, the moon rises exactly between these sacred lines, a moment the builders immortalized in Earth. With modern technology, we can finally see what they saw, a connection between sky and soil. To their descendants, these forms were not just maps, they were prayers made visible. They aligned with the heavens, not for spectacle, but for harmony, a balance between people, stars, and earth. Every stone, every measure, every path, part of a grand design only the cosmos could inspire. They built not for gods above, but for understanding the universe they lived within. Beneath the soil, stories sleep, stories older than memory itself. Every artifact, every shard of pottery whispers the same truth. A civilization of remarkable depth once lived here. Thousands labored across generations, shaping the land itself into a living monument. Today, neighborhoods and roads rest atop what was once sacred ground, a quiet reminder of how easily the ancient fades beneath the modern. When settlers first unearthed these mounds, they could not believe Native Americans built them, a prejudice that buried truth for centuries.
These mesas
But
watched
now,
over us for
indigenous
centuries.
voices
They are
reclaim
a
this
testament
legacy,
to the resilience
their
and spirit of the
ancestors,
people
their
who called this
science,
place
their
home.
earth. The ground remembers everything, the builders, the visionaries, the dreamers who reached for the moon. And though their names are lost, their message still glows beneath the stars. Long before telescopes, these ancient engineers mapped the heavens with nothing but patience and the naked eye. Every 18.6 years, the moon rises in flawless harmony with their design, proof of a cosmic awareness lost to time. Mathematics, geometry, and astronomy, a knowledge system thousands of years ahead of its era. Modern technology confirms what ancient wisdom already knew. These were no random mounds, but celestial instruments. Each stake, each mound, each angle, crafted with a precision that echoes NASA's modern calculations. To them, the sky was not distant. It was part of their soul, reflected in the very earth they walked. Generations may have vanished, but their cosmic blueprint remains, silently watching the same moon they once followed. They were the first astronomers of America, their observatory built not of stone, but of earth and sky. Centuries later, the story of these astronomers still sleeps beneath Ohio's soil, a silent chronicle of genius forgotten. Buried beneath layers of time lie the tools of a civilization that once reached for the stars. Each new discovery uncovers not only artifacts, but echoes of a people who measured eternity in earth and light. They look to the heavens not for gods of war, but for harmony, for order, for meaning in the rhythm of the moon. In their silence, the mounds still whisper, reminding us that the sky once spoke through the soil of America. Their legacy remains not in gold or monuments, but in the alignment of heaven and earth itself. every
It's a
gaze toward the
giant lion
moon
in the
continues a
stars.
story that
And the
began
map shows us
thousands
exactly
of
where
years
the
ago.
ancient astronomers
They may
watched
have
it
vanished
from.
into history, but their message endures, written across the very heavens above us. Across this ancient land, whispers of forgotten civilizations still echo, from Ohio's sacred mounds to the deserts of Arizona. Each site a chapter, each discovery a reminder that America's first architects were masters of sky and stone. Their science, their faith, their art, all woven together beneath the same stars we see tonight. The ground remembers, even when history forgets. Join us again as we uncover another civilization lost beneath America's soil. Subscribe and explore the mysteries that shaped our world, one forgotten city at a time. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your heart on the past.